ready to add a touch of rustic charm to your designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Buffalo Plaid SVG files. First, open your favorite vector design software. I'm using mentioned software name, but the principles are the same across most programs. Create a new document with dimensions suitable for your project. Grab your rectangle tool and draw a long, thin rectangle. Fill it with solid black. This will be the base for one of the plaid stripes. Now, duplicate this rectangle several times. Arrange these duplicates so they are parallel to each other, creating a series of black stripes with equal spacing in between. Next, create another long, thin rectangle just like before, and fill it with black. Rotate this rectangle 90 degrees so it's horizontal instead of vertical, just like before. Duplicate this horizontal rectangle several times and arrange them parallel to each other with equal spacing. Carefully position these horizontal stripes so they intersect with your vertical stripes, creating the classic plaid grid. This is where the Buffalo Plaid magic happens. Select every other square where the stripes intersect. These squares are what you will change the color of. Change the fill color of the selected squares to your desired plaid color, typically red. This creates the signature Buffalo Plaid pattern. Finally, and most importantly, save your file as an SVG. This ensures it remains a vector graphic, allowing for clean lines and smooth scalability without any pixelation. And there you have it, your very own Buffalo Plaid SVG file, ready to use in all your design projects. Get creative and add that rustic touch to everything from mugs to apparel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.